today we're doing a video of Gloopy.
Won't you go show him the box? Go get the box.
Gloop. Go show
Gloop. That's what it's called. It's called like fizzygloop or something like that.
It's a gloopy.
Oh, well, I think that's what it's called. It's like called like fizzily gloopy.
Like gloopy, like this.
Called fizzygloop.
It's scented fizzy gloop.
Yeah, let's see the box.
You can make your own.
Yep.
I almost fell off the chair.
That looks like my hand. Is my hand in the picture?
Apparently.
It says 6+.
Can you? I'm a Lily. Just.
Why does this look yellow?
I'm just saying.
Okay, let's see. We already measured out the 100 mLs of warm water.
Then I could
Pour it
What are you
into
doing?
a paper or
This in here.
plastic cup. Well, I already did
If
that.
I was 5, then I
Use
could've
the spoon provided to add one
first
level
grade.
spoon of sodium teraborate to the warm water and stir until the powder dissolves.
inside the box.
Okay, so which one of these is the sodium teraborate?
Right there.
I think it's that one.
That right there.
It's that
No,
one.
that says baking soda and the fizzle
That's this
glue
one.
mix.
Bank soda.
That's baking soda. Mommy's got to go get scissors.
Okay.
Here's grapes.
You said we need grapes, Liam.
There's grapes right there.
Oh, I'm gonna take those now.
Free bomb.
Yeah.
She go fast. I'm gonna take you.
Whoa.
Are you gonna
Slimy glue.
take I'm taking
Soap and water. One. Loopy loop
I'm
stores.
taking
One. You should
What? Are you gonna take
Hopeful if misused.
Thank you for the scissors, Mommy.
You're coming.
Okay.
Mom, you did them the wrong way.
What do you mean I
You-
did them the wrong
You
way?
hold it the wrong way.
I'm gonna hold my body.
What if you tripped? You would have died.
I'm sorry. I should have held them like this.
I'm holding my body with one.
I'm not your dad.
Okay, the sodium tetraborate.
That's baking soda.
That's not. It says sodium tetraborate.
Tetraborate.
I'm the
Tetraborate.
tooth fairy,
Okay.
and here's
So you-
some money. Here's some money for you.
What are you doing that for?
Here's some money for
I think
you.
you
It
turn
says
here.
use spoon provided to add 1 level spoonful.
Okay. There's the spoon. 1 spoonful. Can I pull it on? Can I pull it?
You let mommy handle the chemicals.
There's chemicals?
Yes, these are chemicals. That's why it says this set contains
know.
chemicals that may be harmful if misused.
I'm gonna take this cup then.
Okay, what are we supposed to do after we add it?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I do that.
Okay, you're supposed to stir it until the powder dissolves. So do you want to stir it?
Yeah.
Me? Can I?
Everybody will have a chance. Ow, stop stepping all
Yeah.
over mommy.
Mom, can I? I want to see it. Okay. So let's see what Liam does. You can
What's
basically see
in it?
chemicals.
That's the sodium teraborator.
Yes, we do
Whatever
have
the
to
hell
use
it is.
the paper towels.
Wait,
give it to me so I can see, because I can go for the links up. My turn. Okay. So,
No,
yeah.
Mommy has
Sorry, I
to
put my
says
finger.
it.
Sorry, I put my hand right in
Colin's
front of it.
turn.
Okay, can you let me see it for a second?
Can I hold it?
Okay, let the viewers see it. No, it's red shirt. Yeah.
Go on that side. Here.
Tell you when you're ready. I'll go.
Stir it until the powder dissolves.
It already has.
Ah!
Is it completely dissolved?
Yeah.
Wait, can I do it,
My
please?
foot's stuck.
We'll let Logan do it.
A little bit more.
Eat, go to stir.
This will be your activator.
Wash it, wash it,
Next,
wash it, wash it.
combine 10 milliliters of room temperature water with
Say hi, Mike.
spoonfuls.
Say hi, Mike.
Am I ready?
Where's your pop?
Mine.
All I see is the ground, not the pop.
Hey, don't do that. Don't be so hard with it.
Well, a little bit touch me.
Yeah, go wash your hands. Okay, that's all dissolved. Combine 10 milliliters of room temperature water with 2 spoonfuls of the activator.
I still wasn't taller than you. You're almost as taller than this is tall.
Colin, can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
I want to show Mike something. I need to do this without my shoes on.
Okay.
Did you see that, Mike?
He climbed up.
I need to take my socks off.
You just said you didn't.
I need to take my socks off.
Let's see what Liam's gonna do. In the meantime, so guys, we're gonna pause until the next part. So guys, we had to pause it for a second. So
Okay,
It's fully
so
dissolved.
number 2 is combine the 10 ml room temperature water with 2 spoonfuls of your activator. I'm guessing this is it.
yeah, it's 2 spoonfuls.
No, this ain't even dissolved all the way.
I can spin it. I can't wait for baking soda.
Do you know what's my favorite toy?
Thomas,
Yes.
meet your eye.
Wait, can you come here? Open your mouth.
Nope.
Mommy, open
We
your
don't
mouth.
need to see the inside of our mouths, Nancy.
Eye. Since you did that to my eye. Come.
Nope.
Come.
Nope.
Come. Your eye.
Why are you 6 and I'm 8?
Ah.
I'm only in 3rd grade, Liam. Why do you have to go so crazy?
I'm in 1st grade.
Okay, so we just did the 10 ml
Wait, can
water.
you hold it?
Thank you. No, I don't have.
2, we need 2 spoonfuls of the activator.
That's the activator?
Apparently this is supposed to be the activator.
Liam, I need to sit there.
No.
Okay, and 1 spoonful of
sit
the
there.
fizzygloop mixture.
Let me see.
I think it's that. Sodium.
Can you move? I see
Just a minute.
what happened.
Liam, the camera needs to see. Liam, the camera needs to see.
How come I can't see?
Stop it.
Can I hold the camera?
Okay, how much of those are supposed to put in there?
1. Only 1.
Okay, 1.
I heard you say 1. Didn't see the bowl now. Whatever it's called.
Okay, well, there's that.
So that's what it looks like right now. And that's what it looks like, your hand. Why does your hand like have bumpy stuff?
Because Mommy's got really, really, really bad dry skin.
I don't. Let me see if I do. Nope, I don't. I don't. Let's see Colin's book.
Okay.
That's a fizzly monster right there.
Liam. And it says in a beaker. Hey, watch that. For all these chemicals fall on the floor.
And then we get chemicals on our feet.
What are you doing?
What just happened? He's reading books.
In the beaker, add
Here you go.
40 ml of your fizzy.
I'm too short.
solution
I'm only in first
with
grade
the
or
baking
sixth.
soda.
I'm in sixth grade.
You are not in 6th grade.
I'm 6 years old.
You're 6 years old, but you're not in 6th grade.
If I'm 6 years old, then I'm in sixth grade.
No, that's not how it works.
Yes, it is.
Mine has to be Pikachu.
Do you know mines? Let me see them.
Hey, say please.
Can I see them, please? My favorite one is that.
That's a Pokeball.
Yeah, that's my favorite Pokeball. And my
So
favorite
you're putting that
Pokemon
in.
has to be-
So,
Okay, that didn't even make 40 ml.
hey, what's 40 ml? So does that?
Legendary.
Let's see it. A clip. What is that?
That looks cool. Can I stir it?
No. I gotta add the baking soda.
Dan, can I stir it?
Half a spoonful.
Can I stir it?
Just a minute.
Is that a half?
I don't know. I'm just taking a guess here. I'm gonna guess.
I know what half a spoon is. Yeah, that's enough.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Now are we supposed to stir it?
I don't know. I gotta read the rest of the directions.
Only can you move your arm?
Can I stir it if it says we have to stir it?
Wait, we should post more videos.
It's already starting to fizzle. I think Mama did this wrong. It's like, what the hell is this for? Oh shit, that's the solution. Mommy thinks I completely fucked this up. You pretty sure I did.
Maybe.
You did. You did.
They not.
How about you just add the glue now?
The what?
Alright, I guess we'll just try it. Because I'm pretty sure I just fucked it up. I'm in it, dog. I can say anything.
Wait, can I do it?
Can I do it?
Look, that's purple.
I see it.
Whoa, let's push it. Full power. Look, guys. Do you see
Yeah,
that?
because see, like, it's already starting to, like, fizzle and shit. And
Can I do?
I don't think you're supposed to put in the whole thing, Liam.
Yeah, Liam, that's enough.
Okay,
Now do we stir?
hold
See
on.
that, guys?
Because I'm pretty sure I already screwed it up.
Well, this might be a fail video. We might have to fail at the end.
Okay, yeah, stir it.
Okay. I'm gonna let Liam do all the honors. It looks
Tell me
bigger.
when to stop. Look at that.
Says your reaction will start to fizz.
And it's starting to get like this.
Wait, we didn't screw it.
Yeah.
Wait, let me see. Liam, you hold
Get-
the camera.
It's
You
getting
hold the camera. Liam.
No.
it's starting to smell.
Can I smell?
Can you hold the camera for
Yeah,
a
it
second?
smells like strawberries.
I want to try. Can I try it?
Smell it.
Whoa, great.
You said that I could.
Whoa, what is that?
You said that I
Hey,
could.
don't just plop it down in there, because with all that chemicals and everything, I'm guessing that's supposed to be the
Can I do it
fizzy
now?
gloop.
Can I do it now?
Whoa.
Can I do it now?
Hey, that looks like someone from Cat in the Hat.
Okay, put that back down in there.
I want to just see.
Put it down in there. Not like that hard.
You said set it down.
Yeah, but I didn't mean that hard.
I'll hold the camera.
Okay, let's just go ahead and add the rest of this. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but oh well.
Yeah, we're going to make super gloopy.
So we're just going to add the rest of the bottle.
How about, can I? I didn't get this, do it. Okay, so let's just do it.
Where's Logan?
What the? Huh.
Already?
Dude, we've been ready. Look, Mommy may have messed it up, but
Yeah.
Whoa, can I do it?
all right, Colin, let him do some.
Squid it on this.
I don't even know if we're supposed to put the rest of it in there, but oh well.
Who cares? We already messed it up. So I don't mess it up even more. At least it's still gloopy. Make your own gloopy slime. We made it. We made it a gloopy slime instead.
A gloopy slime.
You see how much that is? Look how gloopy that is. That's definitely fizzy gloop.
Quit it, Liam.
Do you see the picture? It says you can hold it.
It says you could hold it?
Yeah. So it's someone holding it. Look, there's literally someone holding it. Well, I don't think we can. Wait, it's bubbling on the picture.
Yeah, I know. I think Mommy was supposed to add the activator first, and or either the solution first, which is this, and I didn't. That's why I'm saying I think Mommy messed it up because
It's my turn.
it was supposed to be the other way around.
Okay, let's see it. The video's kind of glitchy. Let's go from the other side. We see him.
I got
We
it
can't
on.
even see it.
How gloopy
Now we
is
can
that?
see it.
I don't know. We'll wait and see until after the whole entire bottle's in it.
I think nobody can see it. It's so glitchy right now.
I'm trying to get this out because I'm wondering if I add more fizz.
Let's stir it. Can you stir it while I put
I'm
some
trying
in?
not to stir it because I'm wondering if I add like more baking
Oh, I
soda
forgot.
and some of that
Colin, can you
other
hold it
crap
just for a
would
second?
fizzle over.
I got my feet stuck in a chair.
Okay, stop.
I got it.
Sorry, I got my
I
feet
got
stuck
it.
in a chair.
All right, Liam, stop.
Next level.
Mommy's gonna add some other the chemicals in to see if.
That means it's not go.
It's not.
Can I take this off
Look how purple that is.
and put all of it in a minute?
I think-
Let's add more baking soda and see what it does.
Yeah.
And then can I pour the
Oh shit!
and then can I pour the rest of this in?
Yeah, we messed this up. Wait, what is that? What is that?
What is that? Can I touch it?
No, don't touch it yet.
It's
Oh, the chemicals. I'm staying as far away as I can so I don't have chemicals on me. Wait,
Can you smell it?
Yeah, can I mix
the
it?
camera can't. This is about to be.
Well, obviously the camera can't.
It's over.
Stop, Liam.
It's about to be 20
Can I
minutes.
touch that? Can I touch it?
Liam, I can see. Okay.
Oh, it feels weird.
Okay, I think that's enough, Mom.
I'm trying to get the chemicals mixed, it like the baking soda, so maybe it'll fizzle, but I don't think it's working. I think Mommy done screwed it up.
Yeah, look at that. Whoa! What the? You hold it. Ah!
Liam, stop. What did
Oh
Liam,
no!
what did I tell you about splashing the chemicals?
Got it.
Why are you putting it back in there? I took it out for a reason.
Oh,
It's flying. Wait, we just put it on the floor thing.
and you got mad that we did it.
Are we gonna make more?
We're gonna make more.
Soon we can both play with it. Look at that. Blech.
Don't touch it and then touch my phone. If you're gonna touch it with one hand and my phone in the other.
I am. Whoa! Oh! Okay, I need to get that off my hands. What is that? Okay, let's get a closer look of it.
Can I pour some more of this? Can I pour?
No, I think we got enough chemicals in it.
Oh. Ah.
Mom,
Ah.
you have to feel this.
Yeah.
You wanna come fill it?
Yeah, Mike. What is this? Guys, do you know what is this? This is a long thing. Guys, it is cool.
Who's in there? If you want to clean it.
Yeah, you're supposed to wash your hands after you get done playing with it.
Yeah.
Because of all the nasty chemicals.
Bathroom's in here. That's why you wash your hands.
It's starting to melt. Look. Look, Mom.
Well, I think that's done. There's a second piece.
Yeah, we did it. We finished it.
We finished it.
In 23 minutes. What? Well, that's the longest video we made.
This smells.
Can I smell?
Alright, guys, you can end the video and then you guys can just play with it.
Bye, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Bye.